This video will cover the topic of medico-legal evidence. Medico-legal evidence is often required from medical practitioners to prove or disprove criminal charges. This evidence includes the doctor's report, reports from specialists, and the doctor's oral testimony. Medical evidence presented in a court of law can be documentary or oral. Documentary evidence includes a medical certificate, a medico-legal report, and a dying declaration. Examinations consider physical injuries, particularly in cases like rape, and include the examination of both the victim and the accused. Factors like age, marks of violence, and the emotional state of the victim are considered. The intellectual and mental state of the victim and the accused are examined. Samples and specimens are collected, including seminal fluids, head and pubic hair, blood samples, debris, and bones. The purpose of medico-legal evidence is to aid in the investigation and prosecution of the accused. It helps determine if a sexual activity occurred and can identify the assailant. It also helps establish whether consent was given, or if force or drug-induced inability to consent were factors. The following cases are labeled as medico-legal and require police notification and an investigation due to death, injury, debility, or infirmity. These include poisoning, injuries from sharp objects or firearms, tetanus, burns, drowning, and specific instances of death during or after surgery. Other medico-legal cases include death within 7 years of marriage, conditions requiring notification by law, suspicious foul play, or when the cause of death is uncertain. Thank you for watching this video.